Just as the storm moves in, the best girls high school hockey teams from all across Minnesota are trying to travel to the state tournament, the Xcel Energy Center. That tournament starts tomorrow, and the plan for now is to play the games as scheduled. As Danny Spuick reports, it is forcing teams, including girls from Moorhead, to change their plans.
For the 9th year in a row, the Edina girls hockey team is heading to the state tournament.
It's a great tradition of hockey here in the community.
Brian Fulmer's daughter plays youth hockey and looks up to the high school team.
And the girls are great to her.
He wants to take his family to the X later this week.
Try to make it over there on Thursday.
But the forecast doesn't look so promising.
We'll have to see how it goes, but it'll be a little dicey, it looks like.
Edina plays a quarterfinal game at 1 p.m. Thursday, possibly around the time of the heaviest snow.
I don't know what you can really do until you see it, so plan to leave earlier.
Casey Hankinson has 2 daughters on the Edina team.
So I think we'll be just fine. I'm sure there's logistics that are going to be a challenge, but I do know the kids will be ready to play.
It's going to be hard enough for teams in the metro like Edina to get to St. Paul later this week. But if you're coming from outside the metro and traveling several hours, it could be nearly impossible.
Moorhead, for example, plays Thursday night.
Our original plan was to leave on Wednesday morning, and we had to change it because by the time we get down there on Wednesday late afternoon, there could be a foot of snow on the ground.
Head coach Ryan Kraft says the team will leave a day early on Tuesday afternoon.
One way or another, we're getting down there.
It's the first state tournament appearance for the Moorhead girls team in 17 years.
But I think the community as a whole is just ecstatic.
So a little snow, or even a lot of snow, won't keep them away from the X.
You want everything to go as well as it can, and you never know how many opportunities you're going to get, so just being on that ice is pretty special.
Danny Spuick reporting. Valley News Live Sports Director Devin Fry will have much more on Moorhead's plans tonight on Valley News Live at 6.